Today marks 3 months post-hatch for these flowerhorn hybrid fry. It feels like it was just yesterday they were being herded around by their parents. Little did I know these little demons would soon be herding and picking at their parents. We've been so blessed to have successfully raised such a large brood of these aggressive cichlids to this milestone. Along the journey, our aquarium space has grown rapidly to include two 75-gallon tanks dedicated to fry grow-out, a 75-gallon tank to house their father, King Periwinkle, and most recently, 200 gallons of additional grow-out space across 5 40-gallon tanks. I suspect these fry will develop their nuchal pumps more once they have their own tanks, which is why they need to be shipped off to you. Hit me up on Discord, link in the description to work out shipping.